Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today I am going to draw and tell you about Rosy and an exciting show called Chhota Startup. In a beautiful town called Pocketpur, where you can see mountains on one side and a sunny beach on the other. The main characters Rosy, Tej and Gyani lives here. Rosy is a 12-year-old girl full of energy and enthusiasm. Known for her street-smart attitude and athletic skills, she's a force to be reckoned with in her class alongside her friend Tej. With a sharp memory, Rosy never forgets a detail and is fiercely loyal to her friends, always ready to stand up for them. However, she's also extremely precise and level-headed, especially when it comes to negotiating a good bargain. Her parents, Jaya and John, both lead busy lives. Jaya, an art and craft teacher at Pocketpur School, is constantly on the go, always rushing to plan engaging activities for her students. Her creativity shines through in everything she does, inspiring Rosy and her classmates. On the other hand, John is the police commissioner, dedicated to maintaining safety in their bustling town. His job keeps him on his toes, as crime never rests. Despite their hectic schedules, Jaya and John make time for Rosy, supporting her adventurous spirit and nurturing her unique talents. Together, they form a vibrant family in the heart of Pocketpur. Rosy is often seen wearing a bright pink kurti adorned with blue designs on the sleeves and waist. Complementing her kurti, she pairs it with turquoise culotte pants featuring large sea green polka dots. On her feet, she sports pink slip-on shoes that perfectly match her outfit, adorned with a contrasting large yellow button on top. These flat shoes allow her to run around easily and be accessible to anyone in need of her help. Rosy also wears eco-friendly wooden bangles painted purple, adding a touch of flair. Her high ponytail, tied with a white scrunchie, completes her cheerful look. Our main characters, like Rosy, Tej, and Gyani, are always on the lookout for fun ways to solve everyday problems. They have decided to start up a special business that help other businesses in Pocketpur. This trio meets different clients with different kinds of unique problems. They work as a team to come up with clever solutions. Whether it's starting a new venture or helping a neighbor, they show us how teamwork and creativity can make a big difference. They see these challenges as fun opportunities. With their special skills, they come up with super creative and wacky solutions.
Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know which character to draw next. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my videos. Bye for now.